Hey guys, here's a short clip on how to change air filter on Prius. It's really easy. So you open the glove box on the passenger side and remove that black hinge that connects to the door. Once the hinge is disconnected, if you apply some pressure and wiggle the glove box, it will pop out completely and you will see the air filter location and the air intake motor. So open the filter door and pull out the air filter. As you can see, it's obviously dirty. Here is a comparison with the new one and the old one. And when you insert the new filter back in, pay attention to the airflow direction. It's usually mentioned in the filter itself and as well as in the box. If you are unsure of the airflow direction, I will show you how to check it as well. I just turn the fan on, and when I insert a piece of paper, I can see that it sucks in and I know which way the air is flowing. Just make sure that you don't drop the paper. Pop the filter back in, close the filter door, and you are pretty much done. And the last step, you take your glove box, line up the hinges, and then if you gently push it in, it should go and lock. And don't forget to connect that black hinge again. You're all set. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps.